What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to RomeIncTv. Now, today we're going to unboxing video of the Eder 3D printer. Now, this is one of my unboxing videos of many to come. So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let us first start off by taking out my trusty knife. So let us begin this unboxing video. Open this down with instruction manual. Box. Oh, and if you're wondering what is this here, this is the filament for the 3D printer. Okay, so we're making progress. Let's move this box. Okay. So we have the manual, of course, and we have the printer. Can you come closer? So at this current moment, we're going to unbox the filament for the printer. We have this here. This is white, and we also have black as well. So see you guys midway or at the ending of the build.
The screw way into the coupling, and then take the wrench, tighten this screw so the coupling is tight against that threaded rod, and now the motor can lift the gantry. Step 6, when we get the gantry level. So I still like to tighten those up so it's ready to go. Next step.
So we pretty much managed to put the printer together after many tries. But we finally did it. Currently it is 12 o'clock in the morning. It goes to show that this was not a very easy task, but the job was done. You know, it's up and running. Right now the fan is kicking in. You just have to connect it to the computer and probably do some dry runs. So stay tuned for that video, or maybe it should be in the next clip. So just stay tuned. Here is the end result. not too bad at all. You can definitely tell that I have on some white beads in my hair and a black shirt. I'm gonna show you guys let me just put it here on the side so I can show you guys the original picture of it and stuff. Let's get it to focus. Let's see, come on, there we go. Let's put a picture next to the original picture. There we go.